Very good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Very fine, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
good. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, can anyone tell me today's date?
29th April
29 April.
2021.
Yes, today's date is 29 April 2021 and day Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, good. You are very attentive and we have to start day with the good thought, and thought for the day is: the beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you, and this thought is given by B.B. King, your 6th standard student and division B. So this is our science subject, and in science subject I'm going to deal with unit electric charge in that subunit, that is static electric charge. Today we are going to learn something interesting, and I'm going to demonstrate experiment in front of you. I know you like experiments very, very much, but before moving ahead, we should know aim of the experiment. So let's see what is the aim of the experiment. So aim of the experiment is to find out static electric charge. Let me repeat it. The aim of the experiment is to find out static electric charge. Okay. You all know to perform any kind of experiment, we need different apparatus, different material. Now in the next slide, I'm going to display some images and just recall the images and identify the images and tell me what you can observe in this picture. Yes. What you can
I see
see?
a I
Yes.
see a comb and pieces of paper.
Yes. You can see a comb and pieces of paper. So this is the material which is required to conduct today's experiment. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about what are the different steps to perform this particular experiment. Okay. So this is the procedure of today's experiment. Please listen carefully, because at the certain steps you're going to observe the effect. Okay. So step number 1. Yes, who will read the step number 1?
It
Spread
is
some small pieces of paper on a table.
Yes. The step number 2.
bring
Bring
a
a plastic
plastic
bag
comb.
near the pieces of paper.
No chorus answer. If you want to read this, just please raise your hand. Okay, Anita, please.
It is bring a plastic comb near the pieces of paper.
Okay. The third step is, it is very important here to observe the effect. Okay. So initially only I'm telling you where you are going to observe the effect in the step number 3. The step number 4 is rub the plastic comb on dry hairs. See, we have to going to rub the plastic comb on dry hairs only. The hair should not be oily, or you can just comb the dry hairs with the plastic comb and bring near the small pieces of paper. And the last, again you have to see the effect, you have to observe what the effect exactly. Okay, so in the step number 3 and in the step number 5 you are going to observe the effect. The procedure is clear to everyone? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Okay, now I'm going to perform this same experiment in front of you. Okay. Yes. So for this we require the small pieces of paper. It is here in the box. Yes, it is visible to everyone. Yes,
yes, ma'am.
students. Yes. Now I'm going to spread the small pieces of paper on the table. You can see here I have spread the small pieces of paper. Okay. Now what is the what is the second step? Yes. Please
Bring a
remember.
Bring the
comb near
comb
it.
near the paper. Pieces
Yes.
of
Very
paper.
nice. Now this is the comb. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to bring this comb near the small pieces of paper. What do you observe? Do you observe any effect? Does the small pieces of paper they get attracted towards the comb? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where you are finding the small pieces of
No,
paper
no,
on
they're
the
just
comb?
No,
moving,
ma'am.
I
I
think,
don't know
because of
any
the.
change there.
No. This was the step number 2, and you have completed the step number 3 also. Now I'm going to do perform the step number 4. I'm just going to comb my hairs, this is the plastic comb. I'm just going to comb my hairs with the plastic comb. See, I'm combing. I think it is visible to you. Yes, it is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can see. What do you observe now?
The papers are jumping up towards the comb and sticking to the comb.
Yes. So after rubbing the comb on my dry hairs, these small pieces of paper, they get attracted, they get jumped towards the comb. Okay. And you might be thinking that the Pratibha ma'am hairs are oily, and because of oily hairs, the papers, they are getting attracted towards the comb. But let's see, let's take confirmation about this. So I need volunteer to repeat this step number 4. So who is ready for this? Who is ready to? Yes. Who is ready to perform this step number 4? Yes, Tanvai, Anita.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay, Anita, I'm just
Ji, ma'am.
making you yes, you are presenter. Please perform this step number 4.
I am turning on my camera.
Yes, please turn your camera.
You can just let me know if the papers are visible.
I'm done with you.
Yes, other students do reply.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, only perform step number
Visible?
4. Just comb your hairs and bring it near to small pieces of paper.
Okay. Just 1 second.
No.
Yes, it is visible. Yes. So what do you observe here? Again, you observe.
Should I do it again?
Yes, you can do it again. Yes. So what do you observe?
No any change, ma'am.
No any change?
Huh? No change?
I think maybe there is no clarity in the camera. So it was not properly visible. Okay, can anyone try? Tanvai? Are you?
Can you?
Yes, yes, please try.
Now,
Yes, please
now I
try.
can see some piece of paper attracted to our comb.
Okay, so there is need of repetitions. The confirmatory test is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Yes,
Means what? So you have observed in the step number 3 and in the step number 5 also. Initially, when we bought comb near the small pieces of paper, the pieces were not attractive towards the comb. But after combing the hairs with the plastic comb, or you can rub also hairs with the plastic comb, the small pieces of paper, they get attracted towards the comb. Now tell me why this happened. Is there any magic?
Force is applied.
Yes.
Static force, ma'am.
Yes. No chorus answer. Please raise your hand and give me answer one by one. Yes.
Ma'am, can.
Yes, please. Yes, Rajasri.
There is electrostatic force is applied.
Okay. So can see? Can you rename that electrostatic force? Just remember aim of our experiment.
Static electricity.
Yes. So after rubbing the comb on dry hairs, I'm again going to share my presentation. Okay, so on the basis of observation, we're supposed to draw a conclusion, and the conclusion is after rubbing the comb on dry hairs, electric charge develops on the comb. Here you can rub the comb, or you can just comb your hairs with the plastic comb. Electric charge develops on the comb, and because of that, small pieces of paper, they get attracted towards the plastic comb, and this charge is nothing but the static electric charge. Okay, clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we call this charge? That is nothing but the static electric charge.
Charge.
So this was today's experiment, all about our today's experiment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Madam, congratulations.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
clap for
Because
ma'am for a wonderful presentation on the demonstration skill. This is not easy task actually, and ma'am have presented a very live demo based on that demonstration. So please clap for ma'am for the successful conduction of demo based on the micro skill, that is demonstration. Madam, first of all, your heartfelt congratulations. You presented the demo on the micro skill of demonstration very well. All the sub skills of demonstration skills you have achieved very well, very nicely.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And ma'am, this is a very successful conduction from your side, and I think that this is the ideal demo of demonstration skill. I hope, ma'am, you are doing very good job in the field of micro teaching skill, and already we are very well aware about your various skills. YouTube channel is there on your micro skills.
Thank you, sir.
Really,
Thank
I
you.
appreciate, ma'am, your performance. You are doing very good job in the field of teacher education, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. The time for my demo. Yes. Now it's students' turn. Yes. The timekeeper
Yes,
was.
ma'am. The,
Yes.
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
time
Yes,
is
sir.
10
There
minutes,
is a
12
lecture on
seconds.
second year, that is economics method. Shall I leave this meeting?
Yes, yes, sir. Please. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for
Okay.
your feedback.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, other students?
Yes, ma'am. The time is 10 minutes, 12 seconds.
Okay. So I have to work on the time management skill because see, first time we are doing this demonstration skill virtually, and this is not easy. When you will go with this skill, you will find what are the challenges. Okay. Sometimes what happens because initially I told Anita to perform this experience, but the electricity gone, so I told Tanvai to, because it is not possible, because you should have that material with you to perform the, to take the active participation of the student. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, and initially when she performed the experiment was not clearly visible to the student, and even see, we are also spending some time in blackboard writing because there is so much blackboard writing. You have to write the aim, you have to write the conclusion. Okay, so these are the things. But what mistake I did, I'm expecting from your side. Don't do the same mistakes. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Okay, and instead of giving that word to word animation, just give the whole text animation, so the entire content will be displayed and it will help you in managing your time,
And
isn't
the
it?
time has to be by 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes,
Yes,
ideally.
yes, yes, maximum 7 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Observations, yes, Anita and Gayatri both were the observers. We'll start with Anita.
Um, Ma'am, the aim of the experiment, yes, it was stated before the beginning,
Mhm.
before the experiment started. The apparatus was appropriately selected, just a simple apparatus of whatever is easily available and not hazardous.
Okay,
Um,
okay, one more thing, let me tell you. See, while selecting the apparatus, actually, instead of this, what you can say, this green color comb, I have to select the
a
dark
dark.
color comb. Actually, I was not getting, I don't know where my bachchi, she kept that comb, I don't know. So, whatever available, so don't go with the availability. There should be
It should be
appropriateness while
appropriate.
selecting the material. Okay, so this is
Okay.
the one thing. Yes, please continue.
Then the organization diagram, the procedure was stated very clearly before the experiment started, when the observer should observe and when he should draw the conclusion. That was also very clearly stated. The apparatus was skillfully handled. Student participation was there, active participation as well as verbal participation, both was there. um, Opportunity for observation, and students were asked to observe at each and every stage uh, what is happening, and what conclusion of the experiment also was drawn at the end.
Mhm.
uh, Situation, creation of situation, I am not Aware, ma'am.
Creation
Sorry.
of situation. Why only rubbing the comb on the dry hairs, or why only combing the hairs? That
Ah,
particular pieces of papers, they get attracted towards the comb. That was the
so the
create.
cause of the cause and
Yes,
the effect is
yes,
creation of
yes,
situation.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So the situation was created appropriately, and the result was also noticeable. Time management, as madam said, that it has to be
Yes.
between 5 to 7 minutes. Overall, it was very effective.
Okay. Thank you, Anita. Yes, Gayatri. What about you?
I would like to go same as what Anita ma'am said, and it was really a very effective demonstration.
Thank you so much. If
Actually,
yes, other student, if you have any query regarding the demo, if you want to give me any suggestions for my improvement, please tell me.